DNA of USD is radical hospitality. We always go an extra mile to make sure that our customer, which is our student, is always taken care of.
So we decided to send 2 chefs. They're actually getting trained in Surat.
This is my first time in India. It's been incredible so far.
I mean, if someone would have told you, you're going to go to France to go learn French cuisine, but that's how we work at USD. We want it to be right and genuine and authentic.
Getting sent to India to cook Indian food wasn't too crazy of a thought.
Indian cuisine is just more building flavor, building spice. It's just like the technique that is what makes it unique.
You look down and there's 20 ingredients on the table and you're like, how do you make these, flow and, taste well together and to create that balance? And so that's been really fun, trying to find the rhythm.
When you add ingredients and then reduce and then add more ingredients and then reduce, and that's how you build the flavor of Indian cuisine. And that's what we're really going to be taking back home.
One thing about India, it's hyper local, right? Like you said, things change quickly, languages, cuisines. So it's been fun trying to navigate and find out where we can fit in. I hope that we can bring them a slight sense of home. I understand what it's like to travel and study abroad, and it can be extremely isolating, especially when your surroundings are unfamiliar. So hopefully they can come into pavilion dining, have a bowl of food, or maybe they can smell like a familiar spice blend or something, and it can transport them home.